Welcome to our meditation guide on how to meditate effectively. In this session, we'll delve into some practical techniques to begin or enhance your meditation practice. Before we begin, remember, meditation is a personal journey, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Now let's explore some key principles to guide you on your path to inner peace. First, let's start by taking a deep breath. Find a comfortable position, whether seated or lying down. Some practices insist on sitting up straight, but for today, let's just focus on being comfortable and at ease. Close your eyes gently and allow your body to settle in to this relaxed posture. Take a full breath, breathing in through your nose and out through the mouth. Take a moment to notice any areas of tension or discomfort and gently release them with each breath. Now, bring your attention to the breath. This is key. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. Allow your breath to flow naturally, without forcing or controlling it. If your mind wanders, which it will, gently redirect your focus back to the breath without any judgment or frustration. Repeat this process as you gently settle in to the comforting sensation of the present moment. Let's stay here for a bit. As you continue to breathe, observe any thoughts or sensations that arise, without judgment or attachment. Imagine them as passing clouds in the sky, simply drifting by without disturbance. The clouds come and go, but our attention stays right here in the present moment. Try to cultivate an attitude of curiosity and openness towards whatever arises in your awareness. Now that we have some basics, let's explore ways to deepen your meditation experience. You may choose to introduce a focal point, such as a mantra or visual in your mind. Repeat a simple phrase or picture a peaceful scene in your mind's eye. This might be a beachside sunset, or simply the word gratitude repeated throughout your practice. Allow this focal point to anchor your attention and deepen your sense of presence in the moment. Other practices may include chanting, specific breathwork, and other methods that we will cover in later videos. As we approach the end of this demonstration, take a moment to thank yourself for this time dedicated to nurturing your well-being. Reflect on how you feel in this very moment and how your practice can deepen this feeling of calmness. Know that you carry this sense of peace and clarity with you as you navigate your day. Thank you for joining us on this journey of self-discovery and mindfulness. May the insights gained from this practice ripple outwards, bringing greater harmony and compassion into your world. If you enjoyed this and want to learn more, kindly like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, may you continue to cultivate a heart of peace and a mind of clarity. Thank you.